Okay. What's happening, everybody? And welcome back, fam. Um, it's pumping back. LOL. This incredible capture in the life for all of us right here. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the live. This is all. Ooh, oof, oof. I mean, this LUNC is not giving up. It is not giving up, and it's putting some really crazy price volatility right now by, the end of today. That is so crazy. That is amazing. What's happening, fam? Welcome back. I mean, probably a lot of people were already losing interest in LUNC. I mean, that's obvious. It happens when you start decreasing your price a lot. It makes total sense. But look at this beauty. I mean, 303, that's a good breakout. If it reaches that, I'll be so excited. Boom. Man, I mean, let's see what happens. To me, it's a big boom. To me, it's a big boom. What's going on, fam? Welcome, welcome. Um, oh baby. I'm just here chilling and chatting with all of you, fam. What's going on? What's happening? What's happening? I Are we gonna see more craziness right here? Are we gonna see more craziness right here? Well, if we see more craziness right here, I'll be live for us and I'll be just chilling. It is what it is. What I was saying early, I just made a video for all of you guys. What's going on and welcome. What I was saying is that we reached the bottom right here once, twice. We broke it, which was something pretty significant, almost 3 times right here, which in my opinion, it's important, right? So Catalina Jr., Alexis, welcome, welcome. So it is interesting, right? I'm seeing this and I'm like, okay, so this could be just more manipulation from whales, right? We have to be clear with that. This could be way more manipulation from whales before the price of LUNC continues dropping. That could be one possibility. Another possibility could be, well, not necessarily, and we have more breakouts. I mean, craziness coming in. That is really gonna be something to see this night. But whatever it is, we'll be here for a while and let's see what happens. Welcome, everybody. What's up? It's all hot in here. Ah, very volatile price of LUNC, much higher than it was earlier today. So I'll take that. Oh, baby. Woke up this morning. We got that chat after the merge, right? It was a pretty massive event for everybody here in the cryptocurrency. Then people are telling me about KuCoin AMA, and I'm like, oh, that's true. How did it go? And well, people are like, well, not necessarily the way that we would expect it, right? I believe it was on Telegram because that's where it had the location, right? I wasn't able to see it live, but it is not that a lot of people intended to see, right? Well, basically now, what a letdown, right, for a lot of people when it comes to burning, because KuCoin was or could have been, a very good partner when it comes to more burns, but not necessarily. We're looking at the 5-minute chart, everybody, so a lot of things can happen. Hey, what's going on from Washington? Welcome, guys. Definitely the community has, slowed down with the furor, with the passion, which it makes sense. It's totally understandable. But if we have a big boom, I mean, I'll take it for sure. Big booms are fun. And we did have one, and let's see. We had one, two, and three. We got 3 big booms so far this evening while I was making a video for you guys. I'm recording this live. So if we're going to get more, well, let's capture it live, shall we? That should be pretty fun. What's up, everybody? Welcome. But I'm happy overall. I'm happy that I was able to establish a great connection with you guys for this project, right? There's a lot of people that took profits in the 305, 304, 303, and now 302. And I mean, I think anything when it comes to a cryptocurrency like this one, anything can happen, right? What I've said many times, right, is that reset is inevitable. And we saw that at the end of September 7, 8, when the price peaked for that season at around 305, 306, right, which was great. I remember because I went to bed, then I woke up and I'm like, boom, what is this going on, right? But now it is. Love it. Love it. What's going on, buddy? Welcome back. Love it. Love it. Ooh. Ooh. Love to see it because live is much better than just making the videos. Welcome. At this rate, I think we can have another pump and that will be pretty cool to capture live. Everybody, welcome. Happy to have you here, Crypto Bull. Nice. While you're here coming in and getting comfy, we'll see if we get some more craziness, breakouts or more. Go ahead and smash that beautiful like button, everybody, and subscribe to the channel. Support the community. That's what it is. I think one of the things that I'm more interested is the burns, right? I gotta tell you, for some reason, I don't like to see 99.9% burn. I know that is a very clickbaity title, but I see it everywhere. And the implications of that is, well, that's a lot. And technically speaking, if you got $500 billion staked already, how in the world are you going to do 99.9% burn? That does not compute with me. You understand that? Russian Mob, what's going on, buddy? Welcome. Oh boy. Look at that beauty. The $1 videos are everywhere. I know. Yeah. Like, there's two things that I think you gotta watch out for. Number one, the $1 videos, and the number two, the 99.9% burn, because in my opinion, that's just not gonna happen, right? How in the world are you gonna have 99.9% like we have, assuming 6.9 trillion? Like, what are you gonna be in 6.9 million or so? Like, I don't think so. If more than $500 billion is already staked, you tell me, you do the math for me, please. Welcome. What is the next target? Thank you for asking. Right here, 303, breaking this price channel. So we pumped a little bit earlier this live, made a video for you guys, just breakout, exploding, which was pretty good. I saw it live, everything. So I'm like, whoa, what an explosion. I love that. So it is relevant because I'm not looking at 305 yet. I'm looking at, well, if the price now, let me go to the 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes right here. So this is what just happened. Right now we're starting to see a red candlestick. So for right now, it seems bearish. It's kind of turning to, but it still has the possibility to come up. Welcome. No way it hits $1 at 6.9 trillion. No, that is impossible. That's why I think burning is so paramount, right? Which makes sense. Oh, Crypto Bull, what's going on, buddy? He invests very little in all those coins and invests majority of his money in Bitcoin and Ether. Cool. In the beginning, well, thank you. I'll be always here, guys, showing and caring. And well, if you want to go ahead and take a look at my portfolio, the only thing you have to do is just join the Patreon or YouTube membership. I show you my portfolio right there, guys. All what I have, it's right there, open. Pretty happy. Remember, when it comes to portfolio and buying and selling, it's up to you, not to me. What you buy is not my business, and what I buy is none of your business, period. And always buying what you can afford losing saves your skin every day of the week, right? Welcome. So for those coming in, we got a nice LUNC breakout, and I love that. Looks like Asian exchanges are waking up. Remember, I remember that one when we had a good LUNC live. Well, with a lot more people, a lot more excitement about 2 weeks ago. But it's okay. I mean, I can still get excited because we're about to break a price channel. Let's see. If we go to the 4 hours, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. What are we looking like right now? I'm gonna go ahead and clear all of this. I'm gonna move this right here. Welcome everybody. So let's get to business. This is the picture right now. What do I see? Well, I see a small breakout, right? Just a little breakout in the 4-hour chart. It's not really a big deal. It's a big boom over the last couple of weeks. Oh, no, sorry, the last couple of days, just 1 week ago, because this was the 8th. Right now it's the 15th, so 7 days pretty much. So a week long, we just had a nice, cool breakout, which we had one here, we have one here, now we're having one here, it seems like. In the 4 hours, my friends, we're still not getting to the middle of the Bollinger Bands. I'm gonna go ahead and add my RSI and see how we're looking like. Haven't looked at the RSI on this one for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this a little bit for us. I don't need the average, and I want my RSI. I want it more thick. There it is. So this is what I wanted to see. Whether you're here to expect a super pump or not, you're welcome. You are welcome here. What I wanted to see, and this is something I just forgot to show in my video, but what I wanted to see is this. That at least in the 4 hours, it was gonna go oversold. Oversold is a great indicator because it tells me that people are now going to the FUD mode, selling mode, and capitulation is coming, right? That is, I think, what I wanted to see a lot. And for what I see right here, it wasn't reached, but it was really, really close. So far, things look pretty nice for a lot of, people buying the dip. Now let's go back to the 5 minutes. And this is what it's looking like right now. Pretty cool. Now, whether it changes course and continues pumping, well, that's what we're here live. And if it doesn't, that's totally fine. If it doesn't, that's totally fine. You have to understand that I think that TERRA Ramos developers and the people that are behind this project, when it comes to the community, tons of people, dozens of YouTubers like myself, we may not have so much LUNC in our portfolios, or we don't own it at all, or we have a lot. Whatever your case is, it's never a bad idea to support a cool community token in a bear market. Like I was saying earlier in the video, this is what we're looking right now. We had the merge, one of the most important and critical events in cryptocurrency history, and nothing happened. Nothing happened, right, when it comes to the price. We're having amazing progress with crypto.com and Cronos chain. So far, not going anywhere. And Bitcoin, well, where should I start? Bitcoin is the master, right? Bitcoin is everything for a lot of people. And it's not moving. So at least someone is moving. You know what I'm saying? At least someone is moving. So I'm happy for that. Good times. What's going on, everybody? No, man, I want lower prices for the burns and to buy more. Let's talk about that for a second. While we, we'll see what we get here live. A lot of people, and I'm here, everywhere. It's that seeing lower prices is it's pretty cool for the burn, and that makes sense, right? Because if you want to burn a lot of LUNC, either passively or actively as an investor, passively because you are buying it on Next Global and it burns your transaction, or actively if you are actually sending it to the dead wallet. Whatever your case is, it's gonna be a community support. Galveston County, welcome, my friend. Don't forget that people are doing the same thing with Shiba Inu. People are doing the same with, I kind of forget. I mean, there's some other meme coins out there that you do require to do burning actively, right? But for LUNC, I think we can give him a lot of tests and tough evaluations, and I can say to you guys that things are going bearish and stuff, but honestly, guys, if this was a bull market, I think LUNC would have been in an amazing position to be 201 easily. It's just about volume, right? I have no doubt that in a bull market, LUNC explodes really nicely. It just happens to be a bear market when people are already losing money, when people are down a lot of positions, and when it's just time for us to keep our cash and our fiat, right? So if you are very committed to this project, obviously don't put all your faith in me as a content creator, YouTuber. Do your research and buy what you feel like it is whenever you feel like. But let me just tell you something. Whether you heard my evaluation earlier this week about LUNC and you had the guts to do, you know what? I know Oscar is telling me that it's probably not a bad idea because prices are coming down, but I'm still gonna buy. And you bought here because it was rejected a couple of times. Well, my friend, you just made yourself 17% profit. Let it rain, baby. That's pretty cool. Let's go, guys. Welcome. Galvez and Counter in the house. How you doing, my friend? Welcome, welcome. I watched your review about Tama Doge. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, anyone interested in a community token, another one, I gotta be there for you. Good times. I love LUNC went all in. Boom. You know, people ask me, and they ask me this so much when the price was at 3056. Oscar, should I buy right now? What did I say? I'm nobody to tell you if you have to buy right now or not. But what I'm gonna tell you is, and it was a not very popular comment back then, but right now it is. What did I say? I've said I always will love to buy in red, down. When you have a meme coin like this, when you have a big community token like this exploding, not this, but more, if you say buy when it's down, it's like you're saying, oh, you want FUD, you want like you want it to crash. How bad are you? No, that's not what I mean. It is the nature of crypto. It goes down. That's what happens. That's totally normal. And we just saw it, right? We just saw it. So right now, it's much better entry point rather than 306. The 1.2 tax form was approved, was passed. Many exchanges across and throughout 2022. I'm sure that if they want to make money, they will have to adopt it, approve it, and use it so they get more fees, right? Because that's how these exchanges make money, with you and my transactions. That's it. That's it. So it's not like Max Global or Coinin. They just want out of their own love do this because they're paying to burn LUNC. They're paying. No, because they want the profits. They want more eyeballs to go, and that's fine. So Binance and KuCoin, probably they don't need us. They don't need LUNC. They're like, no, dude, we cool. They can do it for sure. They don't want to do it. Now, that is a problem because that puts us a little bit behind. It is what it is. Is that going to stop the LUNC army? I don't think so. What do you think? When you come to my lives, I always try to give you what I have to offer, which is the truth for me, from what I've learned, right? I'm not gonna here sit and tell you, guys, you buy right now, it's gonna be $1 by 2026. What am I doing? No, that is dangerous, I think. No. No cryptocurrency is saved by regulation. No cryptocurrency is saved by well manipulation. No cryptocurrency is saved by just tomorrow developers say, you know what? Nah, we out. Like, nobody's saved. I mean, you have to be realistic, right? Even Bitcoin and Ethereum, like that's the examples I go to. Look at how many years of development they have, of halvings, of upgrades, of challenges. So always having on the back of my mind, what is the best case scenario? What is the worst case scenario? Okay, if I say the best case scenario, for 10 times, my YouTube channel is going to explode because I'm going to be so bullish. But what about the worst case scenario? You have to explain, you have to expose that too. And that's what I do. Love you guys. If you have ears to hear, I think it's going to make sense to you, right? If not, well, it's all right. You're still welcome. How you doing, everybody? Welcome aboard. Go ahead and do me a favor, smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. We're here for a while, and whatever happens, we already got a boom. Franco, what's going on, my friend? Welcome. From Canada, how much do you think can hit LUNC by the end of the year? I have no idea, my friend. But first, have to be looking this at in a short term. I think this is something I've learned already from 2021. These end of the year predictions are useless. That is what it is. They are useless. If I say, let's pick a number, 201, how will that help you? Like, that's useless. Nobody knows. If it's gonna be much healthier for you, say, what do you think it's gonna be by the end of this week? That is useful because it's about the short-term information that we can predict. When it comes to crypto, look at how many people predicted 2021 Bitcoin $100,000. Now you tell me now you tell me how that went. It is what it is. Why is LUNC tanking? It did because of sell-offs of the Ethereum merge by the rumor selling news, and of course some other news when it comes to Binance and KuCoin not adopting that burn. Thank you for your live. I appreciate that a lot. Welcome. It's waking up. We're here looking at it, my friends. Not going anywhere. Go ahead and share this live. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what your questions are, guys. Welcome. I still feel like it's going to go as low as 302. Yeah, I mean, in a couple of my videos and lives, you heard me saying that it can also it can gain a zero, and that is true. It can gain a zero. That is a truth. That is a reality that it can happen. It can. It's not meaning that it will, but it can, right? We'll just have to see, my friends. If we were in a bull market, so many other coins will be increasing in value, which means people will be investing in other coins, not LUNC. I'm going to pin that one in. Yeah, I mean, I think for sure, right? Not only LUNC, but other ones, but still just the volume will make a lot of people less fearful, right? That's a pretty cool comment. Thank you, little cookie. I like your name. People are forgetting that it's up 3x right now from where it was not that long ago. That's true. You're totally right. You're totally right. Still remember LUNC 404. 404. That was the lowest I've saw it. And now it's 30 what? 2? Not bad. What's going on, my fam? Welcome. People are waking up. People are here, are coming in very fast. What's going on, fam? Look, we're not exploding to 1 cent, but we are exploding the community. Ha! How do you like that one? Whatever happens, I always go back to my first special message to all of you. Just enjoy the journey. I buy a lot of Cronos, crypto.com. I buy a lot of Bitcoin, Ethereum, AMP token. Those are down. Like if you wanna feel better about yourself, most of my positions that I made a year ago are down, are destroyed. Crypto bull came in hard and just trying to bash on me. The point of the story is that we don't know the future. If we knew the future, that will save a lot of problems, right? We do the best we can. We do the research, but at the end of the day, crypto does this thing every single time. I think we're just waiting on that bull market, man. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Once that bull market comes, I'm pretty sure that the good altcoins that we invested this time are gonna do a great job for us. I'm pretty sure, including all the ones above. Yeah, I'm down right now too. They're not the only one, brother. You're not the only one. Like easily, we have hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars already invested in crypto. Once the bull market comes once again, finally we're gonna see that realized, right? It is what it is. Then again, I'm still learning. Let's go. I'm happy to hear that. Last November, everyone thought things were gonna only go up. Yeah, I know. let me tell you guys, even if everything's down, you know, we have Bone down. Oh wow, Bone is super down to $8.4. Wow. We have who do we have here? Solana 33. AMP token is AMP token is extremely down too. Shiba Inu 4016 coming down. So Crocoin 10 cents, approaching 9 cents. It's like, well, so then what's going on with the merge, right? Didn't really help. It did not. It did not. That's the reality. Price wise, it did not. But hey, right now, LUNC can easily come and nibble this a little bit. Just touch a little bit at 303. And we're back in business because that touched and broken. Boom. That's what I can tell you for sure. Can't get emotional, can't panic sell. If I can tell you how much money I have down, I'm not shaking at all about that because I'm long term, everybody. I'm long term. Why would I be worried about short term? Nah, it's too much stress. Solana is your biggest position. Wow. Isn't it concerning to you when the volume goes below 1 billion? Seems like it needs to stay at least 2 billion for the burns to have effect. I think it's because today there was a lot of news not positive for LUNC. Plus, you have YouTubers saying it like it is. Some YouTubers trying to manipulate the news to make it look sexy. So, for the average LUNC investor, I think that is trying to make money with it, this can be a tough situation. Very confusing situation, right? Because not even 2 weeks ago this was exploding, but now it's very much correcting. The only thing I really appreciate, everybody, is how fast this is. Thankfully, you don't have to wait long like some other cryptos have. Just think about that. Because some cryptos, you wait a long time, but a long time to finally get some closure. With LUNC, at least things go pretty fast, and I like that. You just bought $200 of Tamadosh. Cool. Have fun with that one. And make sure you understood what I've said, right there. Make sure you understood what I've said. My favorite moment from this channel was the other night at 1 a.m. Oh, it was my favorite moment too. I looked down and I see you laugh and I knew something was going on. LUNC was shooting past 305. And that night was fun. Yeah, I know. It was incredible. Honestly, I go back to watch it once in a while because it was late and the price was completely exploding to the moon and we captured it and it was something to really enjoy. I think we were the only channel, like major LUNC channel live there. I didn't see Matthew wasn't there and any other one was there that I remember. So if you want to revive the 305 feeling, it's right there for you. What you have to understand is those moments will come and go, not only for LUNC, but different cryptos, right? Remember, Vassal from Cardano is coming now. The FOMC meeting is coming on the 20th. Like, there's many things coming in still for 2022. Sadly, it's just been a pain after hell, after just devastation for NFTs, for metaverse, for Web3, for everybody. All those projects that some people really had a lot of, TVL, which means total value locked, gone. So I think a lot of people lost millions of dollars, not including the hacks, not including the scams, and so you know what I'm saying, right? But we're here, my friends. Oh! Hey, come on, baby, give it to us. You saw that? How it was going up a little bit more. Oh, this is fun, everybody. 3029. We're starting to connect the dots when it comes to the resistance. Boom. It's all about that resistance that we are gonna get, right? It's moving. You bought today at 3026. So that is roughly around here. Well, you're making some money, my friend. You're making some delicious cash. You might buy even more if we break 303. You know what the funny thing is? When we have to buy, when it's down and you start feeling that the fear is overwhelming you. That is the psychology of crypto. It is the psychology of crypto. Yep. Welcome everybody. What's happening, guys? Go ahead and smash that beautiful like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. And as you are coming in, give us a subscribe so I can see you here and give you a shout out. Just chatting. We'll see what happens, right? We're not promising. I'm not promising anything. Absolutely not. We're just having a good time, taking a look at what's going on with LUNC, while I also take a look at Twitter on my phone, like I usually do, and see what's going on. So I see on the LUNC burn community that Max Global burned almost 1 billion LUNC. That's what they're saying right here. So that's not bad. So I believe it's 2 billion from Lunatics, then about 1 billion or so, or half a billion or so from the community, one from Max Global. So, starting to accumulate. Lunatics token 2 billion. So this was a 5-hour post. So 2 billion from Lunatics roughly, almost a billion for Max Global. LUNC DAO 300 million, Binance user 133 million, KuCoin user 67 million, and you go down the drain. Not bad. These guys call a crash a pullback. ¿Qué pasó? What's going on, William? Happy to have you here. Next week should be fun. The psychology of missing out. I know, right? Buy down, not up. You get what I'm saying, my friend? What's up, Oscar? What's on, William? Happy to have you here. It is not really a breakout. It's hardly rebounding. That is why I say it was a breakout. I mean, it's much better, right? Much better terminology to use. I know some people get triggered by that, but no worries, guys. I got you. So I'm checking Twitter. Let me know also. Send me some links here or so if I need to check out something, because last time I was live, something big happened and I didn't even see it. I'm like, no way. So let's see what we got for LUNC here. So we're starting to see some nice red candles. LUNC burn, because that's what we care right now about. Welcome, Gus. Happy to have you here. I mean, for the most part, I think what we're seeing right now with this pump, I will say it can be considered as pump, is whales coming in. But for what reason? Like, this is not retail money. This is a lot of money to be considered retail money. Yeah, for the most part, you know what I see a lot, everybody? And I've said before that I don't precisely like this. I see a lot of LUNC accounts just trying to hype LUNC on Twitter. I don't like that. It has to be organic, and that is just kind of gives a fake growth, in my opinion. I always say it like it is, right? I'm not gonna say, no way, we got a lot of LUNC saying. No. You say it like it is. Come on. Like, has to, I mean, if we get a personality, a major influencer on crypto or so saying about something cool, LUNC, oh, there you go. But every single time I go like LUNC, whatever, there's just these accounts with LUNCC whale, and whatever. But it's all right. It's always happens. It always gonna happen with the meme coins, with the cryptocurrencies. Like this one, Amanda. It's just so fun. Take a look at this. Oh, this is insane. Amanda says LUNC is going to $10 in the future. Anyway. What's going on, fam? Welcome. Hype is hype. I know. It's just that I like when it's like the like real hype, you know, like, man, we got a massive development hype, no way hype, we CC saying Binance is burning LUNC hype. That is the kind of hype I like, price pumping hype. But when you're saying something like it kind of makes like a little bit obscene, or like, oh, are you kidding, like irrealistic, to me it's like iffy. But that's me, that doesn't have to be you. That is me. Keep the real hype, not the fake. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, right? That's what I personally like. I know I got people here from all different places, and I respect it. I respect it. But you're here watching, and I'm just telling you like it is. Welcome, family. Good evening. Good evening. How are we feeling? So let me tell you, if you're just coming into the live right now, we got approximately 1, 2, 3 major, I will say 2 to 3% pumps, which if you add them up is more than 10%. Roughly, today is what, the 15th, right? Yeah, it's the 15th. So 15 is looking, no. Oh wow, still is the 15 right here. Okay, here. So this is the 15 right here. So it came up, it went down bad, and now it's coming back up. So all of this is just one day. Feels like forever, doesn't it? This is just one day. That is just one day. That's it. It's pretty crazy, right? When you think about it. It's just one day. Just one day of craziness for the crypto. One day of waiting for the merge. One day. That's it. Insane. Let's come in. There you go. So what I'm looking right now for next targets for price prediction is to break this beauty. And it can happen. It can totally happen. What we need is roughly a 5%, and we are on the next side, because that is my price channel right there. That is my price channel. That's what I want to see. So my friends, welcome back. We need real information, of course. Realistic, absolutely. These guys just post crazy videos multiple times per day with brand new breakouts. It's water. To be honest, back in the days, people would say Bitcoin will go to 50K when it was only at $1. People didn't believe them. Yeah, it's because it's just a long shot, right? I mean, obviously, all of those people were right, but it's a long shot. Cup and handle in the chart patterns. Nice. $10. That's what they say. $10. Spam is common, grinding crypto social media. Absolutely. Thanks for your videos. They're great, man. God bless you and your family. Thank you, Cody. Appreciate that a lot, my friend. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, honestly, just being myself, organic, that is what really is going to get this channel moving forward, right, at the end of the day. And in a bear market, there's really much not going on. DeFi is destroyed. NFTs are down. Big developments are coming in, but it's just 2022, right? How it's hitting us super hard. But I've learned something. The discipline of patience, right? The discipline of patience. I think we're really having a nice bull flag here, guys, if you're seeing it with me, right? So I like that. Oh, wait, that is a bull flag. Oh, wow. I like that. I like that. Okay. Good things can come. I'm happy about that. I'm calling it. Let's see what happens. I'm calling this a bull flag. I've seen it before. With LUNC. If it does it, oh man, I'm getting better at this game. Very true, Oscar. Awesome. Bear market is rebuild time. It is for sure. My friends. Open LUNC party at my house. Let's go. Oh, okay. That is a bull flag to me, my eyes. It's forming. Just about time. That's about time, my friends. Yes, Terra Luna is a blockchain, absolutely, absolutely. And you actually, when you go to DeFi Llama, you can see that there's stuff built on LUNC. Yes, for sure. Come on, baby. Give us that bull flag. It's coming in. My my throat is hurt. Milk West, what's going on, buddy? Welcome, welcome. Happy to have you here. Yep. You know, guys, which exchange do we need for this to make sense? I think we need American exchanges, right? We need Coinbase. Coinbase is gonna be a really big one because Binance has a lot of power in, worldwide, right? Hey, hey, hey! But Coinbase is really the one. We should be also talking to Coinbase too. I think so. Coinbase has to do something for us. And I mean, Robinhood will be for the AMC, the apes, right? Everybody who do. Oh! Come on, baby. Just give me one more. And I'm going to say I call it. Give me one more. I call it. Call it. There it is. There it is. Call it, baby. Bull flag confirmed. Let's go. Nice. I love that. Oh, yeah. It works. It still works. That's so cool. I love this. What's going on, everybody? Happy to have you here in the live. Do me a favor and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells, please. Welcome, welcome. It worked. And now there's a sell-off. But it's all right. It's all right. It's the 5-minute chart. It's the 5-minute chart. No worries. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. There you go. Okay, okay. Nice call, nice call. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that a lot. I agree with you. It looks like you'll hit a hill flag, but it buyers currently outweighing the sellers. Correct. Thank you very much, Christian. Thank you so very much for the super chat. I appreciate that a lot. I actually have no idea what kind of currency that is, but that is $1. Thank you so very much, my friend. Appreciate it. So you saw that, everybody? That is how you make money trading LUNC. Like this. You identify trading patterns and you attack with confidence, and you do it. And you do it. That could be a nice TikTok. That's cool. But you guys see how competitive this thing is, right? It's like it buys off and it sells really quick. Super fun. Super, super fun. It's just insane, man. Cool. Let's go. Love it. Love it. So let's see if we can identify other potential patterns too, right? Oh, look at the sell-off immediately in the 5 minutes. But now I can say that we have reached about 21%. Thank you, Christian. Thank you, Christian. Thank you, Rubens. Appreciate your kind support. Welcome, welcome back. Why is up? There's not really a real reason for me to tell you other than whales waking up, buying because they're bored. We're just here chatting and looking at the charts and having fun. Now we are close to, let's see, 4%. 4%. Because one thing I know, when LUNC starts running, usually we do come up pretty strong. Let me tell you, my target for this live, for this evening, is this one. I'm not looking for 304. I'm not. If we reach 303, I'm going to bet happy. I'm going to bet happy. Even though we sell off that by itself, it's power. It's progress. Because we were able to reach a nice resistance. That is my level. Now look at the nice sell-off there. But We'll see what the players are gonna do. Oof, oof, loading up. Ah, baby, thanks for your time, bro. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you very much, Rubens. You're awesome. Appreciate that a lot. And welcome, guys. Still checking for more information, right? Yesterday, I believe it was yesterday, we saw about dogecoin stuff going to jail probably. So I'm sure that when that actually confirms and he's arrested, that's gonna be another massive news that, oh yeah, that's true. That was one of the reasons LUNC popped like down in the first place, right? Because dogecoin was arrested. It was a clear reflection in the price. First, the warrant for his arrest and the price dropped. LUNC and Luna. So I mean that was clear. So once he's arrested, I'm sure it's not gonna drop that much because the price already was computed. It's already computed there. Looking pretty strong, everybody. Looking pretty nice. Thank you, everybody. I love your content, bro. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Anytime. We'll see what happens this night. Should be fun. We're looking at 30291. There it comes. Another rise. I'm going to delete this one. So clearly, yep. Let's see what happens. Oof. If you watch the market orders, each order to move the price up is in the tens of thousands. Not hard to move the price up and down, buying and selling tens of dollars at the time. Got it. Going to sleep. Hey, have a good one, Joel. Appreciate you coming in. Yeah, for me this night, I think what I'm looking for is just reaching this point, 4.26. Just 4.26 or so, and that's it. We good. But it's having a good time. Look at this volume right here. That's much more of the volume that we would have seen previously. As we sell off, we consolidating, and this is just one day, which makes it totally crazy right now for LUNC. I'm gonna go to the 15 minutes and check it out from a more view perspective, right? What just happened today? Let's see, before I make that statement. Let's see. The last time, I'm gonna delete this one, I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm also gonna delete this one. So this has been the largest pump for LUNC right now. This is how far it reached, 21%. This has been the largest in a while. Ever since roughly the 13th, which that was 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Because 2 days ago, we've been just crashing, like going down and down and down and correcting. So just to give you something to fall back on, right? And to understand. Thank you, Julio. Appreciate that a lot, my friend. Thank you. Appreciate that a lot, my friend. And welcome aboard. Just trying to give insights to all of you guys and looking at how this is forming. So what I wanted to know is about the support levels. And when we were at 305, the biggest support that we have was 305 when we were almost passing 306. Then we broke that support. 304, it came crashing, passing 304 like this. Then 303 stabilized for a while and crashed, and now it's 302. So one of the things is that I'm happy to see this reaction. Now what we're seeing is some 5-minute sell-offs, and we'll see how that ends up tonight. Welcome. How we doing, fam? What's up, dude? What's up, Joshua? Happy to have you here. Looking at the price here. Ooh, look at that. And I mean, I also want to say this because this is something that I think a lot of people don't consider. Just take a look at how many people are selling LUNC that you don't know of. What do I mean? The LUNC community is strong, right? And I'm sure not many people are selling, which makes sense. They're holding, they're buying DCA. Makes sense. That's the strategy. Buying down, buying low. But just take a look at who is selling this. Why is it going down? Why is it not exploding to the moon when we much need it? Why? Who is selling? Like, what is it going on? Just people that couldn't care what LUNC stands for, but are using it as a vehicle to make money. And they do that with any type of crypto. They did it with token. When I thought token was going to be back to the 12 cents it once reached, they use it for pumps and dumps. And that is one critical thing I learned about crypto in 2021. You have a big community and you like how things are rolling, but at the end of the day, people just, or like traders, right? And whales, they look at it differently and they use it for their own benefit. And it's okay. That is the purpose. You want to come out with money. So the people that are selling are people that may not be even associated with the army, with the community, but they know that there's enough volume to have some decipher trading patterns and make money like we just did here, everybody. Welcome. But yeah, 2 bots. You're right. Bots too. Bunch of bots right now. Bunch of them. That's for reals. 1 to 10 cents possible, not at this time. There must be massive burns for that to happen. Massive. Not even close right now. I think the fact that Binance AMA is scheduled for the 22nd of September is straight after the tax implementation, 20th of September, correct, means that Binance is also pretty excited about the burn. I'm going to go ahead and pin this one here. Flip. I'm going to replace it and you are now up. Thank you, Flip, for your kind words and your information. So I actually didn't know when the AMA was going to be, so thank you for that. If there's a link or something, just send it to me on my Twitter and I'll be able to, share it with the fam. That'll be pretty cool. I really, really wanted to know that info. The KuCoin escaped from my hands, but that Binance one, we gotta watch it. We gotta watch it. Look at this, everybody's. Come on, baby. Give us something good. What's going on, everybody? Cool. Anti-Luna classic people. Suck. It happens. Well, the volume came up pretty quick. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. We're looking at a volume right now, 51.85 billion. Average volume, 430 billion. Yes, it did. That's what's happening. Like I've said at the beginning, I think my level where I would like to be happy by the end of this live or by the end of this nice boom for LUNC, it's gonna be roughly at 303. I'm not asking LUNC to do more, right? I mean, it already did a lot. Just remember, right now, what time? I don't even know what time is it. It's 8:42 p.m. Central Time here in Texas. At about, what is this, 4 p.m. today. 4 p.m. it was here. So from here to right now, or to the highest, that is 21%. So will Bitcoin go 21% up in 4 hours? Obviously not. That will be a massive catalyst, something huge happen that changes the entire market, NASDAQ, equities, and of course crypto. But LUNC just did it. Not bad. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing and welcome to the Oscar Ramos YouTube channel. Thank you, Campbell. Happy to have you here. Happy to have you here. Other YouTubers spill the beans. No one burns. It's done. if I mean, if it comes to a much lower burn, then we'll just have to face it, and it's gonna take longer, right? But it does need millions and billions, because millions is good, but remember, how many billions are in 1 trillion? 1,000 billion. Barely we're reaching 4 billion. That's one thing that I've been saying for a while, like 2 months ago or so. Cafe, what's going on, Cafe? Happy to have you here. If we barely can get 4 billion and 1,000 billion are in 1 trillion, then how in the world are we gonna do this? How in the world are we gonna do it? Like, it's gonna be tough. That is why having these big exchanges is critical, right? But it's all right. I mean, let's keep the fade up. Just realistic, really, right? There's no like easy way to get $1 or 99% burn, easy 1-2 street tip. No. Let's bring it down to earth. This is gonna be a crypto community driven that is doing massive stuff that I'm pretty, it's heavily liked by the community. It's great, it's cool, but it's gonna take a while. It's just gonna take a while. That's all. Appreciate you, Oscar. Great channel. LUNC $1. Oh boy. Oh boy. Price of LUNC stabilizing for a little bit. Hello, brothers. What's going on, Joelito? Happy to have you here. Crypto King is the most bullish besides me. Let's go. It's a lot of people bullish. Yeah, for reals. There's a lot of other YouTubers that are really super bullish on this one. And it's okay. That's totally fine. I'm happy that they're really putting some great content too when it comes to research and when it comes to a lot of things. Well, so far, the price of LUNC, what I'll call is chilling for a while. But if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, I mean, it's forming another, could be forming another bull flag too. Let's see. That could be a bull flag too. Major one, right? Still can look at it as a bull flag. Everything is a bull flag here. What do you think about Shiba Inu? I like Shiba. I like Shiba Inu. It's a good one. It's a good one to hold. Why not? Positive energy for Luna Classic. Let's go. Of course. A penny by December possible? Nah, it is not possible. With the news that we have right now, I don't think so. I don't think it's possible. Don't Panic said the best journey takes a bit of time. But I mean, to be honest with you guys, do you really need a penny to be happy with LUNC, with your LUNC trade? Just, I want to throw that out there just in case, right? How much LUNC price is your happiness? Now, I'm getting too philosophical here, but while we wait for a price movement, like, I know $1 or 1 cent is heavily popular, but realistically speaking, you don't need to get those levels to actually be rich or very wealthy. Because at the end of the day, you gotta sell to realize the profits. And when you sell, guess what you also have to do? Pay taxes. So welcome on Uncle Sam. You gotta give your part. Classic crypto, right? That's the part we don't like. I don't like either paying taxes, but it is what we have to do. I see YouTubers are a little pessimistic about LUNC for the last 2 days. They're all readjusting their targets. I mean, pessimistic, right? That's a big word, right? I like to call it realistic, if you don't mind. And I've been saying that for a long time. Even when we were at 301 FY, I mean, I know you're not gonna watch them, but I have videos back then when I was saying, just be careful when sellers come in. A lot of people who are here from those days can tell you. But if you, any good crypto or any good stock, it has to be willing and able to resist and withstand all kinds of comments. All kinds of comments. That's for sure. Oof. What is the price of LUNC in 5 years? Have no idea, my friend. Matthew jumped ship. YouTuber Matthew had an exit plan with the charts and stuff. He's no longer planning to hold for long term. He's one of the first ones to leave the ship. Really? Yeah, I mean, are you talking about Matthew Perry? Because I think that's the only one that kind of comes to mind when it comes to exit plans. He's very popular making those exit plans. I mean, I don't know the guy, but I know he does really cool videos. Yeah, it is what it is, everybody. If you actually want some recommendation and advice, first, do not ever base your advice from YouTubers. Only use it as a research method. That's it. Don't, because I've done it before. When I was trading stocks, I was watching Zip Trader. Probably some of you know him, big stock guy. And I remember buying what he said, buy this, buy this. Okay, it was a SPAC, right? And I did, and it ended up hurting me, and I lost like $200. I mean, it's all my fault, but I was kind of like, let me just kind of follow this guy a little bit. So never base your recommendations or everything exactly as we say, because we're no better than anyone, right? We're just speaking about things that we consider to be important and that the public wants to know. But other than that, you have to do your own due diligence. And I know, right? Like, not many big channels or more experienced channels or more experienced magazines talk about this because it's so early, so volatile, so risky, so dangerous, so like one-off, right? Like, consider even gambling. So it kind of falls down to us, the YouTuber content creators, that we are like you, like we feel the emotion, the excitement, the day-to-day rush, and it's just, it is what it is. Plus, if you add the massive bear market that we're living, of course, it's the definition of riskiness. But it's okay, my friends. Love your video, man. Probably the most honest person on YouTube. The most honest person is not even on YouTube, let me tell you that. But we do the best we can, you know. It is trying to give some entertainment, some nice conversations up in a public forum, because people want to have that, right? Like, oftentimes in my life, probably in yours, you don't even have a person to talk to about these things. You go to your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, and you're like, don't wait, do you see what happened with LUNC? They're gonna look at you like you are the craziest person on earth. You have nobody to talk to, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your spouse, like, and I mean, at the end of the day, you just type of keywords on YouTube and boom, you find crazy people like us, right? And it has happened to me. I think it has happened to a lot of people, and we're the community. We are the crypto community. We are the innovators. We are the early investors, right? Doing this craziness, and it's okay. It's okay. Oscar, I see LUNC at, what is that, 404. Would you think? I do think that there's a chance for 4 back. But right now, seems that buyers are not permitting this support to be broken. At the beginning of this live, I was talking about that I like that it was rejected multiple times. And I mean, buyers are strong and holding, right? They're not letting it go. They're not letting it go. We appreciate you. Much respect. Thank you, Kraken. You're right, man. I tell my cat about you. Let's see. Oh, the cats. No taxes if you live in the Cayman Islands. Huh. Probably I need to relocate then. That's true, right? Love your work, Oscar. Keep it up. Great community. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Team no sleep again? I don't know about that. Look, if we start pumping way above 303, absolutely. But it's all right. We just gotta, you know, enjoy the ride. So for so long it lasts. Right now we're seeing in the 5-minute chart, it's approaching this middle Bollinger Bands, which is important. Also in the RSI is coming down. So usually this is important too, because it does reset. And in the 5-minute chart that I'm seeing right now, at this is 120 and this is 745. So it already peaked. Oh, actually, this is the first time I just realized this. Let me tell you guys, it already peaked bottom, it already peaked top. It makes sense that it kind of goes down to FY. Just realized right now. Thank you for the comment. Kind of triggered my brain a little bit. So that could be a good insight. That could be a good insight too, right? But I mean, still is close to the 303. Things can change. Love it. Love your video, man. Keep it up. Thank you, Joelito. Thank you very much. Alvaro, how you doing, my friend? Welcome, welcome. Oops. Nice. Don't we love to have a good day just chilling and looking at the charts and talking about things? Exactly. It's trending upwards. It's true. Actually, while I do this, guys, let me check one important thing with you. And I'm gonna let you continue watching. Let me close this. There you go. So I'm gonna go to Google Trends. I wanna see that. We're still seeing this, right? Yes. Google Trends is used because it's, you know, how people are clicking and browsing things. It's exploring what's trending, pretty much what people are searching. So I want to search LUNC. Let me see, because it was pumping a lot before. So I want to see how it has changed. Okay. So people see it right now. My apologies. Let's do worldwide because people watch from everywhere. Let's do the last 90 days. No, the last 30 days. The last 30 days. And then let's compare it to Terra Luna. And then let's do Bitcoin. And then let's do, oh, can't believe it. And let's do, what do you want? Crypto. There it is. Oh, wow. Okay. So let me make my camera a little bit smaller. There you go. So I wanted to show you this because it's just more data to analyze. What we're seeing right now is clearly that September 8th, LUNC was peaking at around 13 compared to other ones, which makes sense. Now it's heading down, right? Makes sense. Totally makes sense. No worries. Crypto and Bitcoin are still strong. I'm sure if I add the merge, Ethereum, how about Ethereum? Or like the merge. Let's put it the merge. Oh, cool. Nobody was looking at the merge. How about Ethereum then? Ethereum. Oh, okay. Now we can see how Ethereum is ramping up today and yesterday because of it is the orange one, or like, sorry, the purple one. It is ramping up because of the merge. Crypto is stable. Actually was pumping when LUNC was pumping too. And Bitcoin is just same dominating. So let me go ahead and remove Bitcoin and things is gonna compact a little bit more. So you see that? So LUNC is coming down. LUNC was really trending back here on September 8th, September 1st. And that is, of course, correlated to the prices we had exploding at those days. So if I come to the 4 hours here, just really quick, when was the time that we were exploding? Yep, you guessed it, September 8th. You see? So when people ask me, when is the best time to buy? Always in the red candles and always when people are losing faith and when people are leaving. This is not financial advice. This is something that was gonna help you, right? Because a lot of people, I was here live, my friends. A lot of people, you have no idea how many people were like massively telling me, should I buy? Yeah, and if you were here, you know. And what was I saying? Guys, hold your horses. Like, this thing is gonna it can go down. Just know that. I know 201 seems very close, but this thing can just stop. And guess what? I was, now that we saw this, I'm going to blow this up once again. I was wrong here. I was wrong here. I was wrong here. I was wrong here. And barely I'm right here. Just to make sure you guys understand as transparent as possible. Like it is, I've been saying it for a while about sellers, and finally that's what's happening. So it's not that what I say is coming true, it's just that it is the beauty of crypto. It is the beauty of crypto. But I'm happy to share with you guys. I'm happy to share with you all those nice insights. Welcome everybody. Boom, back to normal size. Let's go. Come on over here. Let's go. And let's fix this. There you go. We're back. So if you're listening, right, you can realize that nobody knows when the peak is. Nobody knows when the bottom is. It's just a nice chill ride, and you have to decide on your own when your exit is going to be. That is why we talk about exit plans and entries and trading and all that good stuff. So whatever happens tonight, whether we go to 302, 303 or whether we go down, whatever happens, cheers with you, enjoy the journey, and let's have fun. We're not even starting with cryptocurrencies. I'm about to be 30. You guys, some of you are super young. Most of you are super young, beautiful and young people, right? I'm the oldest here. Come on. So you are gonna be fine. There's kids buying this stuff at 18 years young. Are you kidding me? They have a life ahead of them. You can hold for 10 years. You guys realize how much is gonna be Bitcoin in 10 years from now? Don't worry. You're fine. You're fine. You're gonna be chilling, looking at all the market collapse from the Cayman Islands, from your boat with all the Bitcoin and Ethereum you're gonna be enjoying. I'm the old guy. I mean, come on, leave it to me. Every time I say that, I have to giggle because I know my beautiful people coming in, my 40s people, my 50s people, my 60s people, all of them coming in right now. I know what's going on. Michael, Reg, Campbell, who do we have here? Joelito, Kevin, hey, 19. That's really cool. Welcome, welcome, everybody. So yeah, I mean, I think whatever you're starting from, I think we're young. It's the next generation that when they have an iPhone, instead of paying with Apple Pay, they're gonna be paying with crypto, right? It's just insane. It's gonna be marvelous to see that change in transition. Oof. 47 and strong. Let's go. 18 years young. I'm happy to have you here, my friend. Welcome. What indicators do you use? Yours looks so simple. Mine is a mess. I mean, you can use a bunch of things, but for this one, I don't really use a lot of Fibonacci's. I used to use Fibonacci's a lot, which actually makes sense right now because we have a peak. I just haven't used them. But yeah, I mean, you can always use whatever. I am using Bollinger Bands, RSI, price channel, price ranges, and sometimes the price average. 48 trying to be 28. Let's go. Ace 06, a realistic target and can be achieved in the coming years. Okay. Let's see. Marker. What's going on with my... Okay, there it is. There it is. Once again, everybody, I'm see a bull flag. I see a bull flag. Just give me LUNC. You know you can do this. You know you can do this. You know you can do this, LUNC. Come on, baby. Come on, buddy. You know you can do this, guys. You know you can do this. I mean, I know. Luis, what's going on? One of my patrons is here. Longing and then shorting. Classic Luis. I just gonna see like boom, boom, boom. And I'm like, done. That's it. Let's go. I know it's possible. I know it's possible. It's very, very, very possible. Man, you don't sleep. I do sleep. I sleep a lot. Yesterday, I made a video earlier today, saying that I fell asleep because I wanted to catch the merge, but I couldn't because I was too tired. Have you locked tonic? Of course, all my tonic is locked and just sleeping there. Duncan, one of the biggest exchanges in the world, is Binance, has released a statement in which they told users that they will not implement the fee, which puts the daily burn volume to only 55,000. Something is better than nothing. TZ, what's going on, my man? Welcome, welcome. Something is better than nothing at the end of the day, you know? It is what it is. It is the reality of crypto. What's going on, fam? Don't forget to smash that beautiful like button and consider subscribing to the channel, everybody. Made a video for you explaining this rise as well, so don't mind if you go ahead and take a look at it when you have a chance to. Breaking, and it's breaking pretty nice. Just far, you know, chilling, which I love it. You're 38, welcome aboard. Slow up train until the burn starts, hopefully. I mean, it doesn't really have to go down all the way to 4 zeros, right? Doesn't have to go to 4 zeros 9. Doesn't have to. I think 302 is really one of the best supports that we had. I'm not sure that this is gonna be the end of the correction for LUNC. I'm not positive on that. I think that will be such great news for us. That will be really, really good for the entire LUNC. Honestly, not kidding. Because if it is, wow, nobody really lost anything pretty much. It just went from 305 to 302. That's really nothing much. That's not really hard at all. And it can all be recovered. Can't believe it. That's a dream come true. Arturo, you think it's going to reach 1 cent? That is, if everything plays out really well and with massive pumps along the way, probably 201 is possible because of what we saw on the 8th of this month. If we replicate that, then we get to 201, right? I mean, that will be an amazing achievement. At 201, everybody's talking about LUNC. I'm talking about Stephen Graham. I'm talking about Andre. I'm talking about Coffeezilla. I'm talking about everybody. Like, we're going to hear LUNC at 201 in all outlets, even on CNN, on Mad Money. Everybody's talking about LUNC at 201. Sadly, I do believe that when it reaches mainstream, that's really a great indicator for a massive sell-offs. That is why when it reached 306, right, sell-offs started to begin because it was just getting out of control. But it hasn't reached mainstream yet, which puts in a good situation for us in this case. I like that. That's just what I can tell you, right? And from what I see here, you can get another pump, baby. I just need something like this, something like boom, and we go home, we go to bed really nicely. Ethereum is dumping fast. Let's see. Oh, Ethereum. I mean, I have him right here. That's the inverse relationship I've been talking about, right? How one we have it pumping, the other one we have it dumping. It is what it is. The inverse relationship. What can we say, guys? Love, Oscar. Thank you, Co. Happy to have you here. Happy to have you in the house. I love Mexican people, man. Well, I think I love them too. Who cares where you're from as long as you have the passion to work, an amazing personality, great character, tons of motivation to do the best, and that's it. You're good. Who cares where you're from, what you look like? Just get ready to work, get ready to learn, and you're gonna be fine. Boom, 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 everybody. We like the boom, boom, boom here. Plus, tell me in the comments if there's something happening on Twitter. Just talk to me, guys, because oftentimes I don't get to see everything right now. But so far, I'm checking in and I'm giving you all the updates as I see them, my friends. Picked up some good this morning at our yard sale, Oscar. So great to see you. That's awesome. Happy to see that, my friend. That is exactly what we want to see in these markets. Here's chatting with some projects because we're gonna do more collaborations, you know, more stuff for you guys here in the channel. Welcome, welcome. Crokin just made a new video, dude. Oh, really? Should we watch it together? What do you say? Should we watch Crypto King video right now? I'm gonna make a poll, and you guys tell me. Watch Crypto King new video? Yes or no? You tell me. You are the judges in this one because we're just chilling. Chilling. Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We need that beauty. We need that beauty coming in. 3 candles green usually means a pump. Well, so far it's coming in pretty nice. I gotta tell you that. Nice. Nice. Greetings from Lundsberg. What's going on, my friend? Happy to have you here. I did take out some profit from LUNC and put that in the top 4 tokens from Cronos to MMF, VVS, Tectonic, Crow. Those tokens will be skyrocketing bull run. Gammy, you're doing crypto right then. Profit taking your investment and having fun with it. That is what it all means. That's what all it's about. Kenya, what's going on? Happy to have you and thank you so very much for your kind support. Sent a super chat last week to get to you. Walt Disney with a I remember. How was your trip? 15k profits, hell, and got liquidated at 3025. Wasn't mad, bought back lower with same amount, still bullish. Let's go, Kenya. Thank you very much. I'm gonna go ahead and I cannot pin your comment. That's weird. I thought I could. Well, anyway, thank you so very much, my friend. Happy to have you in the house. Are you from Chile? No, I'm from Mexico. My accent is difficult for some people. It's looking bullish. Come on, baby. Just give me 4% up. Just give me 4% up, and everybody here watching, me included, we're gonna go to bed super happy. 4%, and if you want to crash. I'm just kidding. Tonics double bottom. Let's go. Oh, that's cool. Great coverage from Northern California. What's going on, California? Happy to have you here. That's really cool. Knowing that, where is it? So far, Google Trends is looking like people are talking less about LUNC, in my opinion. That's when you always want to come in to buy some positions, right? Always. Now, let's see. The 74 people are saying just to watch the new Crypto Cream video. Well, I know what I'm gonna do, you know? I know what I'm gonna do. Now, I also gotta fix my, here it is. Boom and boom. Gotta close this beauty, and there it is. So we have, there you go, that's nice. And what do we go ahead and chill while we're waiting for that? Oh, ooh, nice. Love it. Terra Luna Classic, everybody. Breaking, that's me, yours truly. Let's see.
With the massive Terra Luna Classic.
Let's pause this friend a little bit. Let's go. Let's give him a like. Why not? Showing support. Crypto King, whether you know me or not, we support you. Now let's hear what Crypto King has to say while we take a look at some of the charts, right? Why not? Let's see.
With the massive Terra Luna Classic burn right around the corner, I need to do a bit of a public service announcement to everyone who is currently involved in the community. It is very likely that we're going to see some massive whale manipulation within the coming days here, so I'm going to be telling you guys exactly what we should be expecting here and how to deal with it. Before we hop into the video, make sure that you hit the like button. Let's get this one to at least 3,000 likes so everyone in crypto can see this, because, well, there's a lot of useful information inside of this video in particular. Now, number one, I want to make a very important point right here. If we do go ahead and look at the Terra Luna Classic price in recent days, we have essentially bottomed out in my point of view. I think that it's incredibly unlikely that we're going to go any lower than where we are right now, even in the event that we do have some bad news on the horizon, because, well, a lot of people already panic sold following the dogecoin news. But with that being said, quite literally the largest development that has ever graced Terra Luna Classic is coming through in just 5 short days, or 4 depending on where you are right now in the world. And this is obviously very exciting. We have the 1.2% burn tax going live, which is going to be applied to all on-chain transactions, and many centralized exchanges are also going to be doing it off-chain using their exchange fees as well. So that's going to be phenomenal. And what we can see right now, guys, at the time of
phenomenal. I like that word, phenomenal. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bells. We're looking at LUNC. Somebody said Crypto King just posted a video, and I've said I'm gonna ask my community if you guys want to watch it, and you said yes, why not? And that's what we're doing. So we're just chilling, having fun. There's people doing all kinds of good things tonight. Let's go. Oh! Oh! Come on, baby. Give it to me. Let's go. Oh, we're close. It's like it's ready. It's ready to Oscar Ramos always gets excited. You already know me. Come on, baby. Give it to us.
Even recording this video right now, we're starting to see some pretty large buy-ins. As a matter of fact, not even an hour ago, we saw right here that the volume in the last 24-hour time period was at $734 million, which is obviously pretty good for a mid-cap. But then all of a sudden, we jumped up right here to now where we are right now. Quite literally $100 million more of volume in just under an hour. Now, that is very substantial because, of course, over a 24-hour time period, if we were to do that every single hour, we would essentially go up to $2.4 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. So obviously, that is a very bullish sign when it comes to volume. And this really goes ahead and speaks to the fact that we're going to see a lot more large buyers coming into the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem right now before these large updates, because this is what we always see. If you go ahead and go back on the timeline for our charts here, even back 180 days, the last few times that we did go ahead and pump up substantially in price was following large announcements like the proposal being passed. Very shortly thereafter, we saw some very sizable pumps, and very close leading up to that proposal actually being passed, we saw some very sizable pumps. So I think it's very logical to assume that we're also going to be seeing something very similar to this when it comes to the 1.2% burn tax, which means that we're probably going to see some pretty crazy price action here in the next 5 days, and most of that is going to be up. But there is a trap that I want everyone to watch out for here. In cryptocurrency especially, whale traps are a very common thing, and they pretty
that what he's saying right there when it comes to whale traps, it's true, right? There's a lot of whale trap manipulation, and this could be one of them, right? We see, I remember crypto.com, I remember Bitcoin, Ethereum goes up, and then, but that takes months to prepare, sometimes weeks. For LUNC, we shall see.
much always happen whenever there are large developments coming to fruition. We see this with Cardano, we saw this with Luna Classic already, and we're going to continue to see this in the future for all of these top cryptocurrencies. And with Luna Classic having a massive development coming in, what's very likely to happen is we're going to see a lot of big money come into the place here. A lot of people are going to buy in, and this is going to generate a lot of FOMO in the markets, and then a lot of retail investors are just going to start buying in then, thinking, okay, this is the perfect time to buy because we're seeing some awesome price action. And at that point in time, when all that liquidity is coming in from the retail investors, this is generally when the whales go ahead and sell off. And this is exactly what we saw with Terra Luna Classic's last pump right here. Now, obviously, when Terra Luna Classic is pumping and doing absolutely phenomenal, it's very exciting to us as investors. But this is why I always say, if you don't have that size and you're not a whale that can actively go ahead and FOMO people into different plays and manipulate the markets in this sense, that you probably should not be trying to time the bottoms and the tops, because you just don't have the size in order to do that. What's most important when you're a smaller size investor, and you're just going ahead and you're trying to make a profit, is to focus on the long term. That's what served me really well until I was able to.
That was said right there. It's important, because that's, it don't matter if you are trying to buy when it's going down. It's going down. Like, sellers are coming in, and these are the whales that pump the price in the first place. So what you're doing with your couple of hundreds of dollars is doing nothing, right? So that's why I always was like, okay, when are the sellers gonna come in? Because we just don't know. We hit us at 306, and that's it.
To amass enough size to even be considered a whale. And I mean, you guys know me, I'm in Terra Luna Classic for the long term. I'm going to be here for the next 2 to 3 years, guaranteed. And that's a really long time, considering that we're talking about a cryptocurrency here. And this is one of the most volatile markets in the world. I am right here. I am making this commitment to you guys because I am going to be working on this community down till the very end. So, I mean, the TLDR here, guys, is that this is not financial advice, but I don't think it's a good idea to try and time the markets, because you are going to get destroyed by these guys that have a lot more size than you. They're going to dump on you. They're going to use your liquidity, and they know what they're doing, and they have a lot more time to go ahead and look at the market 24 hours a day, while you guys at home maybe only look just a few times when you have time, when you're not working, right? So that's just something important that I wanted to mention, and just a little bit of a public service announcement to everyone who's maybe trying to time the markets. Right now is probably the worst time to do that, because literally anything can happen. We could see insane levels of growth. We could go ahead and surpass our all-time highs here in the last 3 months easily, or we could see some additional dumps if there are some news outlets that are going to try and FUD our bags even more, like we saw very recently with the dogecoin news that has been circulating around about his arrest and extradition and all this other stuff. So I just want to put this all out there, guys, for you guys to go ahead and get this out there for your own research. Do with it what you want. This is not financial advice. Smash the like button.
All right. Well, we just watched it, everybody. How do you guys like it? I'm gonna go ahead and minimize this one for us. Boom. Maximize this one, and there we back. Whatever it takes to rebuild on a classic perfectly, my opinion. Let's go. Love it. Let's go ahead and bring myself up a little bit. Boom. And we're back. So, fam, definitely right, Crypto King. It's a YouTuber that has a lot of experience, and I like his video. It makes everything, explanatory. I like that a lot. And well, we'll see what happens. I do agree that it is whale manipulation at this point. Some people are trading it with bots or with a lot of experience, and they're making a lot of money, which is pretty cool. But if you're a beginner, I think what really helps you is buying when it's down, when it's dead, when it's destroyed, when people don't want to get it. That's really the greatest place of all. But so far, couple more reactions, couple more pumps, and we good, my friends. Welcome. Thanks, Oscar. Of course. So I hope you liked it, right? Somebody, I don't even remember who asked about playing Crypto King's video, but I listened to my community, and there you go, my friends. There you go, right? I give it to you. Everybody. Super cool stuff. And we're ready, Freddy. Let me see. Oh, yes. Thank you. Somebody already texted me something on Twitter. From LUNC. Cool. Sending me good infos. What program is this? This is gonna be TradingView. Dogecoin is pumping, really? Bitcoin so far nothing, Ethereum so far nothing, crypto.com so far nothing, Dogecoin pumping with a 64%, not much, but LUNC still hanging in there, my friends. Kraken, yeah, Kraken actually did say that they were gonna support, if I'm not mistaken, so that is pretty cool. Love to see that. Ay, come on, LUNC, because I'm already reaching my levels. Oscar Claybro and Crypto King live one day. That could be good, right? I think all of us, we bring a lot of good value to the table, but there's a lot of people too. So the problem is that I don't have Streamlabs, and with OBS is painful, pretty painful. Taking a hole, nice. Mommy of the Aka, what's going on, my man? You always coming here and support us. That's always, my man. Moderator and member. Let me go ahead and continue my research on Twitter. You guys, you can do it too, and you let me know. But so far, it's looking good. And whatever we got, well, we'll be here to see that. If exchanges support a 1.2 tax on spots, we can see less well manipulation. Short run will pump down before. That's cool. Yeah, I think that's really what matters. But from the big players, not just from the Max Global or so. I get it. Let's see what I got here. What is this? Yep, people are already waking up to the pump. They're pretty much getting excited right now. I see the retail investors coming in. Binance, I'm gonna go to their Twitter and see what they got for us. I'm sure that they don't got anything new, but whatever they have is good, right? Whatever they got is good. And I remember there was an interview, somebody interviewed CC, Binance CEO, today, and a lot of people were saying, like, ask about Terra Luna Classic, but I don't know if they did. I'm sure they did not. They did for sure about the merge. Yeah, I think right now for this week, there's going to be a lot about the merge, and people are going to be looking at that thoroughly. The last thing Binance said was the covenants, sharing, trading, that's it. LUNC, and good morning there says. Just big news about the proposal, of course, passed, which is good. And key developer EQ826, right? The blockchain itself is running completely independent of TFL, Terraform Labs. The validators are guardians of the blockchain, interfacing with the blockchain without using command line. Requires some tooling that uses TFL resources. We're working on this independence. Reality is if all TFL stuff were wiped out, we will be fine. That's not bad. It would just be inconvenient for a lot of people, but assets will be safe and the blockchain will continue to run. That's cool. You see that? It just takes forever to climb, but it's still heading up. It's still heading up. That's what we like to see. Send it. LUNC Binance AMA. 22nd, if I'm not mistaken. Now, where is it? Because I have no idea where it's going to be. Claybro is cool. Nice. Bring another flag. I know, right? It doesn't look like a flag to me anymore right here. It still needs a couple more dumps for that, but it's still heading good. Family, now we are 3%. We started this live come on. We started this live roughly around here, so it's been a while, about 2-hour live. No way, that's a long time. I just want this when I'm going to bed. I'm tired. But just doing it for the fam. Why not? Just doing it for the fam. We want a big boom. What's your opinion on Crow price dumping during the World Cup later this year? I love Crow. I like crypto.com. There's a link in the description down below if you want to be part of the movement and join the cryptocurrency exchange. But I think Crow is going to be okay. Just the price sell-offs, bear market, because it's one of the top exchanges, and the native community, the native token is Crow. It is massively sold off by whales. Pretty much the same thing like Terra Luna selling off, but less volume and less hype right now. It is weird. I commute an hour home from work listening to your content. Thank you, Anthony. Happy to have you here. That's fun. I'm a moderator on Crypto Brown's channel, dude. Hey, that's cool, Joshua. Maybe it won't take long for Luna Classic to be 25 cents. Boom. Where do you see LUNC this time of the year? LUNC, I don't have too much knowledge on LUNC. I know they're doing really good stuff for LUNC, but LUNC is another behemoth, right? That is doing okay. I've seen some pumps right there, so it's pretty cool. That is pretty amazing. LUNC doing and making some moves. But anyway, my friends, I think it's time to call it quits. This guy, it's a bit tired. And LUNC, somebody has to take the torch from here now. Another YouTube channel. Come on, LUNC, before I leave, because this guy is tired. Oh! As soon as I say I'm tired and I'm leaving, this thing is moving. Can't believe it. Bitcoin is dumping. It's still the same level, but still coming close. Even though it's going down like a little bit, bro, it's fine. It's still not even close to what is it? $17,000. So it's pretty cool. TERRA Rebels are doing a great job. Kudos to them. It's true they are. It's true they are. Well, my friends, it's now roughly, it's because it's moving so slow. It's just 3%, beauty. It's just 3%. Nice. Oof. Oof. Send it. Yeah, I think it's happening. Yes. Yeah, it all looks like it's gonna break the price channel. 303. 303 is gonna be an amazing resistance broken if it happens. If it happens. Which starts right here. Right here. So you see how close it is? You see how close it is? Insane stuff. What do you think the price of BED will be the next bull run? B chain. That's one that I hold. That's one that I hold. Good luck. Thank you, Luis. Appreciate that a lot, bro. First thing that it has to do is break this resistance, and we'll see how far it's gonna go. But that's gonna take us throughout the night. And it's just, let me go to the 1 minute and see how this thing is going. This is the 1 minute so far. So we're having a consolidation for 756 all the way to, what is it, 9. So it's just been 2 hours consolidation. 2-hour consolidation of the price. Man. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you, Joshua. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you. TERRA Rebel. When Tamadochi is gonna be launched. I guess when all the tokens available are bought. So once this is broken, this nice consolidation is broken, everybody, and this pumps, then there it is. It's gonna be so amazing. It's gonna be so cool. My friends, I gotta go. This guy needs to rest. It's been a good day so far, and whatever happens, well, I'm sure that you'll find there's a video already out there on my YouTube channel about this one, so this is the latest, of course. Thank you very much for being here with me. I wanted to just have a good chat. Almost gonna be 2 hours, so yeah, I think whatever happens, if we don't reach, let me just say this, if we don't reach 303 tonight for some reason, of course, at least we know that whales are still looking at LUNC. At least we know that whales are still here and they're not leaving, right? So it should be fun. More LUNC content, of course, tomorrow. So wait on that. Put those notifications on so you never miss an update. I'll see you next time, everybody. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for all the donations, all the new members. And wow, how exciting. Thanks, guys. Time to rest a little bit. It was close. It was close. But I call it, right? Now we reached 202, the bottom. Now we're coming close to the top of the price channel. Still a lot of movement. Still a lot of to say. Have a good one. Bye. Thanks, guys.